Good day! Today we're at a food festival, Gastro Food Festival in Driffield, on the site of the Driffield showground. I'm really hungry, the wife's hungry, kids are probably hungry as well. Let's see what we can see. So we're coming to a food festival and Ariana's just interested in eating her sock. That's why we come. Of course, Phoebe just wants to play hook-a-duck and bouncy castles, and there's lots of things to do for kids here. A veritable fair.
How much is it there?
£5 to get a prize rabbit. Different all the way around, all the toys on the outside are included. Okay. You get a little ticket, I want you to have a look at all of them. Okay, thank you.
Try in, that's it.
I can't get it.
Yes.
Some help?
Going well.
So, put it right here. Try
Mummy's gonna get it.
Yeah. Oh.
No.
Try again.
Wow.
Oh. Yeah.
Winner. Well
Unbelievable.
done. Right, let's get you a winning ticket.
What you won, Phoebe? Have you got a flamingo? Happy days. That's Phoebe occupied for the next 15 minutes. Mobile petting farm. There's a turkey called stuffing. I'll leave that one with you. There's Beryl. Hello, Beryl. This is Beryl. Going off to my camera. Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me. Walk away from the Dragon Ball hat, Graham. Walk away from the Dragon Ball hat.
How much is the gun?
£6.
£6, perfect. That's it.
Ow, I just walked into a railing. It's bluey. Some honey. There's all sorts of stuff here. Little independent shops. Italian street food. These pizzas look good. Great British Cheese Company. Me and Emma once had a cheese board night at home a while ago, and it was just OD on cheese. I had too much cheese and I've sort of gone off cheese ever since then, so that's a tale of woe for you, isn't it? Cocktail bar. Me and Emma had a couple of cocktails last night because it was our anniversary meal, so I think I'm gonna resist getting a cocktail. Do sound good though. A jalapeno margarita. Interesting. Right, I'll think about it. That's all I'm gonna say to you. It's an option. Smokehouse barbecue, pulled pork beef brisket. That does sound good.
We are proud to announce loads of
Emma was fancying a gyros, so that's an option for Emma. Do love a gyros. If you ever go to Hull, go to Trinity Market, and in there you can get a gyros, and it is the best thing of all time. Churros, Yorkshire pudding wraps and roast sandwiches at the Yorkshire Roast Co. Yorkshire Roast Co.
He's got lined up for you later on today.
Sounds incredible.
I'm
going to go a bit German, traditional German sausages, Brathaus.
Loving Elton John's music at the moment.
Bratwurst, Krakauer, Kassenkreiner. Apologies if I butchered that pronunciation, but they look pretty good. Classic noodle bar. Do fancy a bit of Chinese actually.
Gastro Festival 2024.
And of course, traditional hot and fresh donuts. Cluck stuff. Cluck and dough. Chicken burgers. Yum. Phoebe's having a go at some circus things with varying levels of success. You're in the circus, Phoebe?
Nice dancing with those.
Ah, are you in the circus? Lovely stuff. Emma's showing us how it's done.
Yeah.
I think this is how it goes.
Nearly. So your left hand goes back, your right hand goes back.
Oh yeah.
A little bit higher, better.
Emma, away from her metaphorical spinning plates, is now literally spinning plates.
How about?
No.
Yeah.
Phoebe's gone for a hot dog. They're looking pretty nice. It's a big lump of meat. Yum. I've gone for a Bangalore butter curry chicken with ultimate loaded fries. Yeah, you do. Get in my belly. Phoebe has got a very sassy churro.
Oh yes.
Lift it up, Emma. Look at that. Yum.
There you go. Got some marshmallows on this one, Phoebe.
Is that nice, Phoebe?
This is a Nutella dipping.
Wow. Nutella churros. Wouldn't be a food festival without a sheepdog display, would it? Every good food festival has got a sheepdog display.
What happens on one man's dog is the man stands at the clock, he sends his up the field to 12
Except
o'clock,
he's not chasing sheep.
and the dog wins the sheep, or in this case, straight field.
He's chasing
When we
geese.
start off training the sheep,
I'm on the hunt for some pudding. I want some pudding in my life. There is a apple crumble and custard spot here. That sounds pretty good. Crumble and custard. Oh yeah.
The garden was blessed by the gods of me and you. We headed west for to find ourselves some truth. What you waiting for? No, what you waiting for?
That was very, very good. Cute little festival. I'm absolutely stuffed. I'm full of Bangalore butter chicken curry and rhubarb crumble and custard and cappuccino. Emma's full of pulled pork and churro and chocolate and marshmallow. And Phoebe's stuffed with pretty much the same thing. She's currently munching her big massive cookie that we used to coax her into the car. So she's happy, everyone's happy, and it's all good. Check out my other videos, and please remember to like and subscribe. That helps me out hugely. Thank you very much. Goodbye, wife.
Bye bye.
Take care. Bye.